We ain't got no power, so we making a hillbilly barbecue. Alright, so let's start doing the chicken.
What?
Here's the chicken. Made by yours truly. Gotta cut that. Giada at home.
No, Malachi.
Malachi, step back. No. Gotta saw that shizzle apart. Okay.
Have you done this before?
No. First time for everything. I just figured it seemed like it would work. Hold on, let me give it a zhuzh. Yeah, more fire. We need more fire.
Oh, jeez. It's gonna catch his joint. Okay, we're good. Now put the chicken on.
The neighbors, they try to die, they're gonna trip. Mama started her own barbecue. Never hurt nobody.
In her Air Force Ones. Her Air Jordans.
Her Air Jordan.
Okay. And that's how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Oh no! Why?
This is how we
Go
do it.
away! More fire!
Yeah.